Let's look at the outer packaging, which is a simple design. This is artistic photo frame style CD player by Todaair, which is the shape of a photo frame as a whole. Accessories include battery, charger, stand accessory, remote control, cleaning cloth, and manual. Now we install the battery. The direction of the positive pole to the right. Put the CD, press and hold the power button, and wait for the light to come on. You need to hold down the pairing button at the first time. Now the pairing is complete, and it will start playing music. We can use the remote control to control the CD player to play music, pause music, and adjust the volume. Overall, I think this product is excellent. Why don't you give it a try?